Oh, freaks.
Jungle Mania. Oh, flat keeps landing on your arm. Sorry everybody, it's just on the back of the watch. Just right there. It was even trying to eat my son's arm. Mind you, it's got a bright orange, it does look like a black. How beautiful that is.
Stunning.
It is, isn't it? That's
Really.
a wonderful place to visit. And if you can stand here, watch that, absolutely gorgeous. Sorry about the wasp, everybody. Alright. He's having a waspy day.
He's having a buzzing time.
Yeah, he's having a buzzing time.
Sorry about the buzz jokes. I mean the wasp jokes. We just thought it'd be funny to add them in as well.
Alright, we're still on a bit of a sandbank and it's not level. Because this is under the closest, you can actually get up to it. It's like a trespass over the other side and not doing it.
Well, unless you swim for it, but you'd rather not. That water is cold. So my hands are a bit shaky.